testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. Please be seated. Let the record reflect the witnesses have answered in the affirmative. Professor Jonathan Gruber is considered by many as the architect of Obamacare. As a former Obama administration official put it, Professor Gruber was the man on Obamacare, the guru of health care.
To more constructive efforts. And so I mourn what could have been.
Professor Gruber is often said in Washington to be the definition of a gaffe. That's when somebody accidentally tells the truth. You made a series of troubling statements that were not only an insult to the American people, but revealed a pattern of intentional misleading the public about the true impact and nature of Obamacare. You know, I appreciate your suggestion. He is not a government witness and not an expert in the...
As far as I can tell, we are here today to beat up on Jonathan Gruber for stupid, I mean absolutely stupid, comments he made over the past few years.
And yet the history of design passage and implementation...
Let me be clear, I'm extremely frustrated with Dr. Gruber's statements. They were irresponsible, incredibly disrespectful, and did not reflect reality, and they were indeed insulting.
Oversight investigations discovered that all of the hundreds of spreadsheets...
I'd like to begin by apologizing sincerely for the offending comments that I've made. In some cases, I made uninformed and glib comments about the political process behind health care reform. I'm not an expert on politics, and my tone implied I was, which is wrong. In other cases, I simply made mean and insulting comments which are uncalled for in any context. I sincerely apologize for conjecturing with the tone of expertise and for doing so in such a disparaging fashion.
For whom we thank your indulgence.
I did not draft Governor Romney's health plan, and I was not the architect of President Obama's health care plan.
By reducing the number of hospital-acquired conditions.
I behaved badly, and I'll have to live with that. But my own inexcusable arrogance is not a flaw in the Affordable Care Act. The ACA is a milestone accomplishment for our nation. Then the only way that states could guarantee that their citizens would receive tax credits